Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor E. Frankl. Find purpose in your struggles, and you can survive anything. Art of War by Sun Tzu. Life is a battlefield. Strategy and adaptability are your greatest weapons. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. Stop overthinking and start living fully in the present moment. The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. Follow your dreams, and the universe will guide you. Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. Your brain has two systems, one quick and emotional, the other slow and logical. Learn to balance them. 12 Rules for Life by Jordan Peterson. Take responsibility, clean your room, and face chaos with courage. War of Art by Stephen Pressfield. Defeat your inner resistance and unleash your creative potential. 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. Master the game of power, but be careful who you trust. Atomic Habits by James Clear. Small, consistent changes lead to massive results over time. The 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. Wake up early, own your mornings, and transform your life. The Art of Seduction by Robert Greene. Understand the psychology of attraction and influence to captivate others. Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins. Push past your limits and embrace suffering to achieve greatness. The Daily Stoic by Ryan Holiday. Ancient Wisdom for Modern Living. Focus on what you can control. The Prince by Niccolo Machiavelli. Power is about strategy, manipulation, and doing what's necessary to stay on top.